Alright, hey everybody. What we have here is the GGB Mountain Exhaust. It's for a 2013 Polaris Assault RMK. Looks like really nice material, nice quality. It's a little bit heavy, probably about 6 pounds if I had to guess or so. I haven't weighed it, but yeah, I'm going to put it on my snowmobile and see what it sounds like. Here's the stock exhaust. You can kind of tell an idea of how much smaller this little bugger is. Okay, so it's pretty easy to pull off the stock exhaust. All you do is undo the springs that were on there. One here, one there, a couple over here holding it into here. So, and then it just lifts right off there. There's your size comparison right there. As far as which one's bigger or just exactly how much bigger. So yeah, all I gotta say is just be careful when you're doing it. Takes a little bit of force to get those springs off there. You might do a little knuckle buster, but yeah, it's all good. Alright, we got the GGB exhaust on it, and I won't lie, pulling the springs are a little bit of a pain in the butt to get back on. They're easy to get off, but trying to put them back on there is kind of a pain. The only thing you want to do is this little piece here that flips over the rubber boot. You want to make sure you got that lined up, because mine had actually bent the little metal bracket on the GGB exhaust because it wasn't on each side of this rubber piece here. But it is easy to bend back and then straighten out. So, alright, well, let's get it fired up, see what it sounds like, huh?